Hi, welcome to my channel Zero Budget Gardener.
I hope you have watched how I grew lemon plant from the seeds. These are the lemon plants which I grew. I'm going to transplant because the roots are showing up from the bottom of the seed starter. So let us plant it to a bigger pot. So I decided to plant it on these plastic cups. I hope you know that I am doing all my gardening in my little balcony. If you would like to start a balcony vegetable garden or a balcony garden in general, please follow my channel and subscribe so that you will get motivated. I'm growing different types of vegetables, fruits, flowers, and also different type of cactus plants.
Lemon plants need a lot of sun but doesn't need a lot of water. A lemon plant which you grow from the seed take many more years to flower than the one which is grafted from the mother plant. Grafting is not so easy for a beginner, so it can be a fun project as well. Lemon which is grown from the seed usually take up to 10 years to make flowers and then the fruits. And there is no guarantee that the fruit of these plants will taste exactly the same as the mother plant because there are possibilities of cross-pollination. This cactus plant which I am showing on the left side is making a lot of babies, so I am transplanting the babies by separating them from the mother. I got around 10 baby plants from this mother. Please let me know what kind of videos you would like to watch, more of a kitchen garden or cactus family or fruiting or flowering plant. I am really interested to know what my viewers are really interested in. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.